Hey everyone, it's Andrew with the Alliance for Innovation and Infrastructure, and with this beautiful spring weather in Montana, there's no question that people are going to start digging holes to plant trees and garden. So with that being said, we decided to ask some local garden centers and industry professionals about calling 811 before you dig. Here's what they had to say. Hello, tell us about what you do.
I work at Cashman Nursery and Landscaping. Jack of all trades. I do everything that needs to be done around here except dig holes.
I own a water well drilling business, and we drill water wells and install pump systems and repair pump systems.
I run a garden center.
I work for Division 7. I've been a carpenter for most of my life.
Tree care industry, we remove trees, plant trees, do everything with trees.
I am the owner of Gallatin Valley Garden Center. 811 is the number you call if you're gonna dig, if anything, anytime.
I submit locates frequently. I know how they mark the area. I know why it's important to mark your utilities before you plant a tree. It's the law.
First and foremost, it's the law, and secondarily, you might blow up.
So you don't blow up.
Blowing up the neighborhood, putting people out of power, out of internet service, out of phone service, but also that my employees don't get killed. We don't burn down our $1 million drilling rigs.
It is extremely important that you not plant a tree on or within 10 feet of your underground utilities. Trees can wreak havoc, crush your sewer pipes, rip out your gas lines when you go to remove it, get entangled with all of your utilities, and shut down your internet access.
You're probably going to hit an underground lines of some matter and you're going to get hurt.
Well, you just might get shocked. You might put out the internet in the whole neighborhood by cutting a fiber optic line,
How many people do you think actually know about the importance of calling 811?
Not very many.
I would not say very many.
Back in Colorado, where I'm from, people screw up and they cut lines all the time.
I'd like to think the majority, but my guess is if you haven't used it before, it's maybe not the majority, maybe just a few.
They never bring it up when they're like, should I worry about gas lines whilst I plant this tree? That doesn't come up.
Call them if you're going to do any sort of digging, regardless of if it's underground sprinklers, your own stuff, our stuff. Always be safe.
There's a lot of things under the ground that you don't know about. We've done a lot of construction ourselves, both here and other places, and we always use 811.
The system seems to be working pretty decent as far as 811. I'm glad it's something that we have.
To learn more, visit AII.org.